cold. It's actually metal, so it's gonna last a lot longer. And it's not going to break as easy. Okay, so now that we have put in the belt tensioner, we're gonna tighten it down a little bit. And then we're gonna torque it and that pulley down over there that ended up being shot, and the belt. Once we get it, we're gonna be changing out this one right here and the secondary hose right here, because that one is leaking too.